Si on peut l'autre vidéo pour nous, ça c'est une vidéo qui est vraiment funny. Capable, monsieur a se volé le raté et puis il fait tout drame ça yo ouais non Èpòt là. Jalousie. C'est un monde qui plus que dramatique. Nous suivre.
Your name? I'm gonna call 911.
I called them for you already. You don't have to call. And I'm Tisha. T-E-S-H-A.
What?
T-E-S-H-A.
What do you mean?
You asked my name. It's Tisha. T-E-S-H-A.
I like your hair. I don't need your name.
You asked it.
Please don't do that. They blocked my flight. They blocked my flight. They blocked my flight. I don't know why. I
Not
don't
one tear.
care. What's your name? You have to talk to my husband. Right now. Right now, I need to go. I need to see my mom. I need to see my mom. But you, she said, I'm not gonna talk to anyone. Could you please talk to my husband? I'm kind, I'm a teacher, I'm a beautiful person. I'm happy to see my mom. I need to see my mom.
I understand that, but you have a very high risk of this, so I cannot set you in the fight. I'm sorry. I don't know. It looks like it's hard. I cannot talk to anyone.
Judgment.
Talk to the phone.
Judgment and you know?
That's not
Oh, jealousy. Jealousy. You're jealous. You know what?
Yeah.
Wait.
Hold on. Get my good side. Hold on.
Jealousy. Jealousy. No human being. No human being. No human being. Only to see my mother.
So again, rebooking is next to D37 for rebooking.
I don't need your advice.
Okay.